This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? The legend is back. This is Renault 5 E-Tech. It's the iconic variant, and yeah, I mean, it's a small city car. And did you know that my very first car was a Renault 5 that my mom bought me? So yeah, it brings back memories, kind of. But okay, anyway, today we're gonna test how much space we have here. It's a small city car, you know? So I'm gonna do the banana box test, but as a bonus, I will also put car seat in the back seat and see how much space we have in the front. But that's all I have time for because I'm going to return this car in about an hour. So let's first check out the Frunk. Do we have a Frunk? And no Frunk here. Just a bunch of car stuff. This is front wheel drive. So we have the motor, inverter, and junction box, 12-volt battery. Does it have a hot lifter for resetting it? Okay, no, it doesn't. But I mean, it's not Stellantis car, you know. It's E-Tech, French technology, but no Frunk here. And the back of the Renault 5 actually resembles the old Renault 5. It has similar shape here and here. I like it that they didn't just make a fat version of this. Actually, I don't know how big this is versus the old classic, but I suspect that they actually kept it small. Unlike some other brands like Ford, you know, Mustang, Mach-E, or the Ford Explorer, or let's not even mention the Ford Capri. They are completely different than the original. Here, they actually kept it as close as original as possible. Kudos to Renault for that. Okay, since this is the poor man's car, we don't have any motorized lift gates, and the trunk is small, just like I remember it from the old days. Let's take out this and take out maybe some cables, and then we should be ready. Yeah, this is more or less the same as the old trunk. I remember I managed to fit a big 7 Vega 12-inch subwoofer in the classic. So in here, fill up half the trunk. So from what I remember, the trunk has not been shrunk, or the other opposite of shrunk, grown. Here we have, the subwoofer is here. Okay. So there's some stuff here we could take out. You see, here's the vehicle to load adapter. So it actually supports it. Not many European car supports it. But okay, I guess I'll take out this. We're gonna maximize space and maybe also take out this foam. Can we take it out? Okay. In the case where they bolt it down like that, well, you could just pop it open, but it then seems like they want to keep it on there. So I'm just gonna keep it there, but at least take out this part. Oh, there's some soundproofing here. Recycled material, wow. All right, round one in the trunk. We managed to fit 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Okay, it's not that impressive, but at least it's twice as many as the Fiat 500e. That's even the new 2021 model, but less than, for example, Volkswagen ID3 and also Insta. But Insta is cheating. They had the option to slide the seat forward. So now let's fold the seat and see how many we can fit then. As usual, I try to put as many boxes as possible in here, and I need to highlight that. Okay, we have. Then this is kind of clumsy the way it slips. Yeah, it's a Zoe style door opening. I think the classic Renault 5, was it like this also? Okay, anyway, see, we have the regular size boxes, but I have 3 special boxes that are slightly smaller. Why do I have them? Well, because we want to represent the regular population of banana boxes, and in that population, in that pool, there might be some smaller boxes. But here, the footwell is so cramped that I cannot fit regular banana boxes there. I had to fit the small in the footwell. And then also here, normally, you know, I try to adjust so that the passenger seat is right on the same level as the driver's seat. Don't try to ninja and push it all the way forward, right? But you can kind of see it. Well, they are fairly aligned, but I almost feel like I couldn't push the passenger seat more forward simply because the freaking baguette holder is in the way. Shit. But okay, we try to pack as much as possible all the way to the top there. there is no panorama roof, or I'm not sure if there is, but not on this car. So yeah. All right, let's turn up the pitch and count in French this time. 15, 16, wow, that was more than expected. I thought maybe 12, 13, it's a small city car, but 16, okay. It's not as good as Inster or ID3, they can take 19 boxes, but actually classic e-Golf can take 16. Huh? Think about that. Okay, so the trunk space might not be the best, but it means that the rest here is actually okay. But now, okay, so now before we end, we will do the child seat test then. Oh, and I like it in the Renault 5. Isofix is in the lid that stays there. And for the record, you also have Isofix in the front. Very nice. Because here in the back we have Cybex 0 on the T mounted. And then I'm going to sit in the front and we see how much space have we here. I'm going to adjust so that I pretty much rub the back there. Whoa! Okay, not much space at all. I mean, at least I can stretch my legs kinda, but wait, dude. The baguette holder is in the way. Wait, can we remove this? Okay, you can remove this. Let's just take out the baguette holder because it's actually stealing some leg room or some knee room here. Well, okay, let's leave it there for now. But what if I want to go more forward? Well, no, then the freaking baguette holder is in the way. I can't slide the seat more forward. I will crush the baguette holder. 9! I mean, no, mon Dieu! Okay, if I go slightly more forward, then I feel like I'm quite cramped here already, but at least if I can recline slightly more. There. Okay, I mean, I have okay comfort here on a short trip, but if I want to go to the cabin several hours, 2-3 hours, no. So here, Inster, and especially ID3 is way better comfort and space. There you guys have it, Renault 5. Small, compact, fun to drive, and still okay space. You know, in comparison, let's say a Fiat 500e, or well, I think it's just called Fiat 500 now. It's similar size, but way less space. So in that regard, this is still okay, but not the best. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.